Hey Zoe, you want a Cheerio? Here, I'll put it down here. Whoa, eager. Show us how you chew. Yeah, nice one. I'm gonna play us some music. Thank you. That's a nice song. Here you go, baby. Chew. Let me see you chew. Shake, shake, shake. Hey. We're gonna go home in 2.5 weeks, Zoe. Are you excited? Yeah? You've never been there before. You've only lived here. More music, thank you. Here you go. Good job. There's a fly buzzing around you. Buzz. 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 All right, girl. Work on your Cheerios. I'll see you later. Say bye-bye.